Padmanabhaswamy Temple to hold rare Mahakumbhabhishekam. After 270 years, according to temple authorities, the objective of the ritual is to reinforce spiritual energy and reawaken the sanctity of the shrine. Thiruvananthapuram. The famous Sri Padmanabhaswamy Temple in Kerala is set to witness a rare consecration ritual after 270 years, an official said. Mahakumbhabhishekam, grand consecration, will take place next week following the recent completion of long overdue renovation work at this ancient temple. The objective of the ritual is to reinforce spiritual energy and reawaken the sanctity of the shrine, according to temple authorities. Such a comprehensive renovation and the accompanying rituals are being held at the centuries-old shrine after a gap of over 270 years, and it is unlikely to occur again in the next several decades, temple manager B. Srikumar said here. The Mahakumbhabhishekam ritual will be held at the temple complex on June 8, he said. Various rituals, including the consecration of newly built Thazikakudams, 3 above the Sanctum Sanctorum and 1 above the Ortical Mandapam, the reinstallation of the Vishwaksena idol, and the Ashtabandha Kalasam, at the Tiruvambadi Sri Krishna temple, located within the main shrine complex, will be held as part of the event, Sri Kumar said. The renovation has been carried out as per the directive of the Supreme Court appointed expert panel in 2017. Though the work began soon after, it could not progress much further due to the COVID situation, he told PTI. Later, various renovation works were completed in a phased manner from 2021 onwards, he said. The comprehensive renovation and the related rituals are being held at the shrine after centuries. It is a rare opportunity for devotees of Lord Padmanabha across the world to witness these rituals after all these years, he said. He also said that steps are being taken by the temple management to ensure the smooth conduct of the sacred rituals, in adherence to the shrine's centuries-old traditions. Various rituals, including Acharya Varanam, Prasada Shuddhi, Dhara, Kalasam, and others, will be held at the shrine in the coming days leading up to the Mahakumbhabhishekam on June 8, temple sources added. The name of Kerala capital is closely tied to the Sri Padmanabhaswamy temple, where Lord Vishnu is enshrined in a reclining posture on serpent god, Ananta. The city grew around this temple and took its name from the deity worshipped there.